Hi everyone, I am a happy nobody and you are on my channel, The Tapping Hub. Many of you often write to me saying that you experience cold, cough, flu symptoms. It can be because of the dust or the pollution, or maybe there's something deep inside which you're dealing with, and that translates into your cold and cough. Whatever it may be, let's do a quick round of tapping and learn to handle ourselves whenever we are down with something like cold and cough. Yes, start tapping with me and say, even though I feel uncomfortable because of this cold and cough right now, I choose to accept myself. Even though I feel quite unpleasant, irritable because of this cold and cough. This is not how I want to feel. I choose to accept myself. And even though I have this cold and cough, it's quite irritating. It's even coming in the way of me communicating with others. It comes in the way of my sleep. My daily routine seems to be affected. I choose to love, honor and accept my body. I give myself 100% permission to release and let go of whatever is stuck in my nasal passage, in my throat, in my chest, and any other part of my body. I deserve to heal, and it feels safe to heal. I feel quite uncomfortable right now. This cold, this cough, it's irritating me. I'm very uncomfortable. It's coming in the way of my daily routine. My sleep is disturbed. While I'm communicating with others, it's coming in my way. I'm not able to do my favorite things or eat my favorite things because of this cold and cough. What if I allow myself to relax and slow down? What if I allow myself to release the stress from every cell of my body? I choose to slow down. I allow energy to flow freely in my body. I give myself the permission to let go of the irritants from my nasal passage and my throat. It feels safe to let go of these irritants from my sinuses, my nasal passage and my throat. I can let go of this irritation comfortably, calmly. I also let go of all those reasons which may be triggering this irritation. I choose to take good care of my body. I choose to nurture my body with healthy things. I deserve a good night's sleep tonight. I am safe as I let go of this irritation and all those irritants from my body. Take a nice slow deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Have some water. You may choose to repeat the tapping exercise with my video. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, The Tapping Hub. Share it with your loved ones.